Good day everyone, this is XK Tutor. So for today's video, we're going to solve an integral calculus problem that uses U-substitution. So the problem here is the integral of 2x times the square root of x minus 2 dx. So we're going to let u be equal to x minus 2. Then we're going to derive this. Du now will be equal to dx. Then from this equation, we can write x as u plus 2. So let's rewrite our original integral. We can bring the constant out of the integral sign. Then we can rewrite x as u plus 2. Then we can rewrite x minus 2 as u raised to 1/2 du. Then let's integrate this. We're going to distribute first this on these two terms. U times u raised to 1/2, that is equal to u raised to 3/2. U raised to 1/2 times 2, that is equal to 2u raised to 1/2 du. Then let's integrate. U raised to 3/2, if we're going to add 1 here, we'll be having u raised to 5/2 over 5/2 plus 2. We're going to add 1 here, we'll be having u raised to 3/2 over 3/2 plus c. Then let's simplify this. We can rewrite this as 2/5 u raised to 5/2 plus 2/3 times 2u raised to 3/2 plus c. So then let's simplify this. Let's multiply 2 on these two terms. 2 times 2/5, that is equal to 4/5 u raised to 5/2 plus 2 times 2 times 2. Since we have 3 2's here, we'll be having 8/3 u raised to 3/2 plus c. Since u is equal to x minus 2, we can rewrite our final answer as 4/5 x minus 2 raised to 5/2 plus 8/3 x minus 2 raised to 3/2 plus c. So that's the final answer for the problem. I hope you guys learned something today.